For the past 10 years, I've been reviewing and testing different investing apps here on YouTube and over on my blog, investingsimple.com. In this video, I'll be giving you a rundown of the best investing accounts to get started with right now, including what they are best for, key features, and most importantly, any sign-up bonuses. Now guys, dozens of hours of research went into making this video happen, so if you appreciate that, make sure you drop a like and hit that subscribe button. With that said, let's dive into the best investing apps for 2026, starting out with number 1 on our list, Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is traditionally viewed as a crypto exchange, but they are at the very top of our list here because of this big update. Coinbase is officially rolling out stock trading on their platform, turning them into a hybrid crypto and stock investing platform. You'll be able to take advantage of fractional share investing, allowing you to buy in $1 increments, as well as commission-free trades. In addition, this will be 24-hour trading offered 5 days a week during the normal market schedule. With this big update, Coinbase is truly becoming a one-stop shop for investing. Now, beyond that, Coinbase is also the largest US-based cryptocurrency exchange. Through the main exchange, you can trade over 150 different tokens. But beyond just the US market, Coinbase is also available in over 100 different countries, giving them a massive global footprint. The basic version of the app is designed for simplicity with an interface that is easy to navigate for casual investors. But if you're looking for a more robust trading experience, Coinbase Advanced is available for both desktop and mobile. This will get you trading view charts, advanced indicators, advanced order types, order books, and an all-around professional-grade trading platform. The best part is Coinbase Advanced comes with no subscription fees required to trade. Now, on that note, they do offer a subscription service called Coinbase One. This gets you 0 trading fees on a set volume each month, access to the Coinbase One card, boosted staking rewards, and more. And the Coinbase One card is a Bitcoin rewards credit card that enables you to earn up to 4% Bitcoin back on every purchase. And if you prefer to avoid credit altogether, they also have the Coinbase debit card that can link directly to your exchange account. In addition, through the separate Base app, you can take self-custody of your crypto assets, giving you full control over your private keys. They also offer USDC rewards, which functions similarly to a high-yield savings account, but with stablecoins instead. Finally, one of their latest updates has been adding prediction markets to the app, allowing users to bet on real-world events and outcomes. I have a full Coinbase tutorial that I will leave in the corner, as well as a Base app tutorial for self-custody that I will link to down below. And if you're looking to sign up for Coinbase, be sure to visit ryanoscribner.com/Coinbase or use my link down below to get a free Bitcoin bonus. Next on our list here is one of the most recognizable investing apps out there, Robinhood. Robinhood has also built a reputation of being an all-around investing app offering stocks, crypto, ETFs, futures, and more. As far as stocks and ETFs go, they support the trading of over 11,000 different securities listed on the major exchanges. And that comes with 0 trading commissions, fractional shares, and even a 24-hour market for many popular stocks. Looking at crypto investments, Robinhood offers about 40 different tokens, so not quite as many as a full-blown exchange, but Robinhood is frequently adding to this list. In terms of other investment categories, Robinhood offers futures trading, options, and the recent addition of prediction markets. You might think all of these different features would bog down the overall user experience, but Robinhood is known for being one of the most beginner-friendly and easy-to-navigate investing apps. But for those looking for more, they offer Robinhood Legend, which is an advanced desktop-focused trading platform. This free-to-use platform supports technical analysis tools, customizable layouts, multi-chart views, and more. Another popular feature they've rolled out is IRA accounts with a contribution match. You can open a traditional or Roth IRA account and get a 1 to 3% match on what you put in, making this a very popular option among retirement investors. And if you prefer a more hands-off approach to investing, which many long-term investors do, they've recently rolled out Robinhood strategies. These are expert-managed portfolios that are specifically curated based on your investment goals. Robinhood offers a lot, but the last thing I want to point out is their brokerage sweep program. With this, your uninvested cash will be automatically swept into a network of high-yield FDIC-insured banks. So this can be extremely helpful, especially if you plan to keep some extra money on the sidelines. I have a full Robinhood tutorial that I'll put a card in the corner for, as well as a Robinhood Legend walkthrough that I will link to in the description. And you can get a free stock worth up to $200 when you open a new Robinhood account. Just visit ryanoscribner.com/Robinhood or use my affiliate link down below and then deposit any amount of money after signing up. From there, you'll get to choose your free fractional share from a list of 20 leading American companies. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Moomoo. If you're looking for an investing app with robust trading tools and advanced features, this could be the perfect fit for you. Moomoo offers a wide range of assets including stocks, ETFs, options, crypto, and even IPO investing. But one of the key differentiators is access to global markets. In the US, Moomoo supports the trading of securities that are listed on the major exchanges. And outside of the US, they offer access to international markets, including those in Hong Kong, Singapore, Australia, Japan, Canada, and Malaysia. Now, Moomoo offers a lot of advanced trading features, charting tools, and data, which can be a little bit overwhelming. But they also offer a paper trading simulator within the app, which allows you to familiarize yourself with everything before using real money. For advanced and more active traders, Moomoo Desktop is where the platform really shines. This is a full-blown trading workstation with features that are most often associated with professional-grade platforms, but unlike many others, Moomoo is free to use. In addition, they've recently rolled out Moomoo AI, which is like a ChatGPT tool for investors. Instead of searching through data sources, you can just ask simple questions and get an answer in just a matter of seconds. If you want to see these powerful features in action, check out my full Moomoo tutorial in the corner. And if you want to learn more about Moomoo, be sure to visit ryanoscribner.com/Moomoo to get your free bonus. Right now, it's free NVIDIA shares based on how much money you deposit, but be sure to check out the link because they change the promotion from time to time. The next investing app on our list is geared towards more passive, portfolio-based investors, and that is M1 Finance. M1 is built around long-term and automated investing strategies, making it a popular option for those looking for a set-it-and-forget-it approach. The core of M1 Finance is its pie-based investing model. Instead of placing individual trades, you create a portfolio or pie by setting allocation percentages for each stock or ETF. Then, as you add money, it's going to divvy up that money according to the pie that you've created. And if you don't want to build from scratch, they also offer pre-built portfolios that you can invest in too. This pie-based approach to investing has many benefits, but one of the biggest is ongoing rebalancing. With each dollar that you add, M1 Finance will spread this out according to your allocations, keeping you as close as possible to what you originally set. M1 Finance offers a variety of different account types, including individual, joint, and retirement. They also have a competitive high-yield savings account, too. But two important things to note here: M1 Finance places all trades during just 2 trading windows per day. And they have a $3 per month platform fee for accounts under $10,000, so make sure you take this into consideration. If you want to check them out, be sure to visit ryanoscribner.com/M1 or use my affiliate link down below to get an APY boost. Coming in at number 5 on our list is Public. This app combines the user experience of new age platforms with more traditional investments you'd expect from old school firms. For example, you won't find prediction markets here, but that might be a good thing because some people view that as a form of gambling and not investing. What you will find is an easy-to-use app with an overall excellent user experience. With Public, you can invest in stocks, ETFs, options, and about 40 different cryptocurrencies. In addition, they also offer direct investments into bonds, whereas most others only offer indirect ETF exposure to this asset. You can invest in individual corporate and U.S. Treasury bonds with a low $100 minimum. They also offer a managed bond account which has a higher interest rate compared to a high-yield savings account. But for those who prefer certainty and FDIC insurance, they also have a simple high-yield cash account too. You'll find a variety of account types with Public, including individual and retirement accounts, with crypto IRAs coming soon. Overall, Public is a great option for those looking for simplicity, traditional investments, and a sleek app. Be sure to visit ryanoscribner.com/public to get started. Moving back into the world of active trading, we have our next investing app, Webull. Webull is a fantastic bridge into the world of advanced trading, offering both a simplified and a more robust version of the app. If you're just getting started, Webull Lite is an easy-to-navigate version of their trading platform. But with a simple swipe, you can switch over to the full-blown version of the app, which offers a lot of advanced features and research tools. Webull supports the trading of stocks, ETFs, options, futures, and over 50 different cryptocurrencies. And similar to Moomoo, they also have a paper trading simulator built into the app, which means you can practice without risking any real money. One of the key features here with Webull is actually their account types, because they offer both individual and retirement accounts. This might not seem like a big deal, but a robust trading platform with retirement accounts is a powerful combination. Traders often pay the highest capital gains taxes on their profits because these are short-term capital gains. But if these trades are executed within a Roth IRA, for example, you can be 100% sheltered from those taxes. So a lot of people will use Webull for this exact purpose. They also have a robust desktop trading platform for advanced traders, similar to Moomoo, and it doesn't cost anything either. In addition, Webull also offers a high-yield cash management account within their app, allowing you to make the most of your uninvested cash. I just did a full tutorial on Webull for beginners that I will leave down below, as well as my sign-up link, which is ryanoscribner.com/Webull. If you use my link, you will get a sign-up bonus, and they do change that offer from time to time, so be sure to check it out. Rounding out the list at number 7 is SoFi. SoFi has been building the ultimate one-stop shop for your money over the last decade and a half. From personal loans to banking, credit cards, and even mortgage loans, they've got a huge menu of financial services. But just looking at the investing side of the equation, SoFi offers a simple hands-off or hands-on approach to things. The hands-off side refers to their robo-advisor. For investors who prefer little involvement, their automated investing tool builds and manages a diversified portfolio on your behalf. Your portfolio is then managed by SoFi's investment committee in partnership with experts from BlackRock. But if you're looking for that hands-on approach, SoFi offers a self-directed investing option too. That means you can pick and choose your own investments, which include stocks, ETFs, options, and about 30 different cryptocurrencies. SoFi also offers after-hours trading, which can be helpful if you're looking to trade stocks based on market news that happens after the bell, such as corporate earnings. Another standout feature is access to IPO investing, allowing everyday investors to participate in company listings before they hit the public markets. You'll also find IRA accounts with a 1% match, making them a popular destination for retirement investors. If you're looking for simplicity and a one-stop shop for your finances, SoFi could be a perfect fit. Be sure to visit ryanoscribner.com/SoFi to learn more. And you can check out my full tutorials for these platforms in the corner, as well as links down below. Here's the truth. If you're working at a job that you hate right now, you do not need to keep doing it. In 2017, I walked out of my union utility worker job after starting a simple side hustle. Fast forward to today, and I've built a life on my own terms, and I've even been able to build generational wealth for myself and my family. From side hustle to main hustle to millionaire is the distilled version of my entire journey in business. Every mistake, lesson, and shortcut. This book gets into taking on business partners, selling off equity in your business, and even investing into other startup businesses. So grab your copy today at Barnes & Noble, at your local library, over on Amazon, or on Audible. And if you never want to ask your boss for another vacation day again, make sure you subscribe to learn how to build wealth on your terms. Be sure to check out this next video that we think you'll enjoy, and I'll see you there.